Hi, this is Stefan. You're watching Depth of Field Entertainment. Today we have something very nice, something new. It's gonna be unboxing time today. I'm gonna ask my lovely assistant to help me. Today we have iPhone 6s Plus. iPhone 6s Plus unboxing today. Ooh, I love this. Oh, I don't know what we call this. Bubble wraps. That's nice. Okay, let's move on. This is iPhone 6s Plus with 128 gigabytes. Yes, 128 gigabytes. And believe it or not, this phone is only 305 pounds. I'm gonna put the link down below from eBay. Really happy to unbox this iPhone.
Because I'm happy.
Let's peel the plastic.
It's a brand new product. That's why the seller told me. It's brand new and opened, sealed. So let's see.
Down. Make some mess as always, but let's see if this thing is real. Okay, I'll put the box on the side. The phone is on the top. Usually there should be a paperwork. I don't know. This is my first iPhone unboxing. I've never had an iPhone before, so it's my first iPhone. So let's see, we'll put the phone on the side. What do we have here? We have usual stuff. We have paperwork. There should be some stickers. Actually, there's no stickers. Okay. There should be a SIM injected too as well, but there is no. That's strange. Okay, your normal Apple AirPods or AirPods or I don't know, Apple stuff. Your wall adapter and your lining cable. Yeah. As you know, I don't. Oh, I'm so blonde. It's here. Yeah. Okay, let's put this on the side. And I want to see this one if it's real. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put this here because I don't wanna. Okay, so let's see if this is real deal. Wow, that's lovely. There's any juice? Okay, so this was iPhone 6s Plus. It's 305 pounds on eBay, believe it or not. It's a quick video, I just want to share this with you.